Chapter 1 Revision Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to revise the place value up to 100. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Sort out even and odd numbers. Write multiplication and division facts. Warm up. Let's revise. We have learned to read and write 1-digit, 2-digit and 3-digit numbers using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Chiku and his friends Piku are climbing a palm tree with numbered blocks on each step. Miku and Golu are also climbing trees, but different ones. Fill in the missing numbers. Yes, Miku, I am on block 998 and going up to block 999. I will soon reach 1000. What will come after that? Chiku, I have reached the block 993. You know, 993 means 993. Miku, I want to fill in the blank blocks. Help me. Golu, I am on 98. The two numbers after 98 are... Teacher's note. Elucidate the student that the largest 3-digit number is 999. If you add 1 to this number, it becomes 1000, which is a 4-digit number. So 999 is the largest 3-digit number in the number system. Let's revise. Ones, 2, 5, 4, 8, 6. Tens, 10, 73, 61, 95, 82. Hundreds, 226, 329, 782, 645, 985. Hundreds, tens, ones. 1-digit numbers 0 to 9. 1. 2-digit number 10 to 99. 1, 0. 3-digit number 100 to 99. 1, 0, 0. Facts to know. Only 3 cultures invented a place value numeration system. The Mayans, the Babylonians and the Hindu people of India. Exercise 1.1. 1. Write the number names for the following numeral. A. 125. B. 642. C. 721. D. 900. 2. Write the following number names in figures. A. 632. B. 700. C. 201. D. 340. 3. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Answer. A. 25, 62, 73, 91, 95. B. 418, 429, 536, 721, 986. C. 222, 308, 321, 400, 526. D. 50, 146, 221, 700, 986. 4. Write the following numbers in descending order. Answer. A. 645, 532, 386, 221, 118. B. 900, 600, 500, 400, 200. C. 625, 555, 444, 155, 71. D. 536, 431, 429, 300, 226. 5. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol. Greater than, smaller than or is equal to. Answer. A. 33 is greater than 21. B. 46 is greater than 29. C. 130 is smaller than 160. D. 102 is equal to 108. E. 721 is greater than 482. F. 245 is smaller than 564. 6. Sort out the following as even numbers and odd numbers. A. Even numbers. Answer 20, 44, 82, 132, 18, 58, 42, 102, 111. B. Odd numbers. Answer 23, 65, 49, 7, 33, 83, 27. Quick tip. Ascending order. If all the numbers have an equal number of digits, then the number whose first digit is greater will be a higher number. 7. Write the following numerals in expanded form. A. 329 is equal to 300 plus 20 plus 9. B. 621, 600 plus 20 plus 1. C. 518, 500 plus 10 plus 8. D. 203, 200 plus 3. 8. Write the following in short form. A. 800 plus 80 plus 2 is equal to 882. B. 700 plus 20 plus 9 is equal to 729. C. 500 plus 3, 503. D. 200 plus 20 plus 5 is equal to 225. 9. Complete the following number patterns. Answer. A. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. B. 330, 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337. C. 226, 228, 230, 232, 234, 238, 240. D. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. 10. What comes after in each of the following numerals? A. 321. Answer 322. B. 436. Answer 437. C. 225. Answer 226. D. 581. Answer 582. 11. What comes before in each of the following numerals? Answer. A. Before of 325 is 324. B. Before of 436 is 435. C. Before of 221 is 220. D. Before of 580 is 579. 12. What comes in between in each of the following numerals? Answer. A. Between of 333 and 335 is 334. B. Between of 426 and 428 is 427. C. Between of 500 and 502 is 501. D. Between of 729 and 731 is 730. 13. Fill in the blanks. A. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. B. 5 plus dash is equal to 5. Answer 0. C. 20 minus dash is equal to 20. Answer 0. D. 26 minus 26. Answer 0. 14. Complete the following table. Numbers 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Answer. Largest 1 digit number is 9. Largest 2 digit number is 99. Largest 3 digit number is 999. Smallest 1 digit number is 1. Smallest 2 digit number is 10. Smallest 3 digit number is 100. 15. Write the place value of the underlined digit in the following numerals. A. 625. Answer. 5 is equal to ones. B. 421. Answer. Ones is equal to ones. C. 635. Answer. 6 is equal to hundreds. D. 450. 5 is equal to tens. 16. Write the smallest 3-digit number formed by using the digits given below. Answer: A. 259, B. 608, C. 123, D. 468. 17. Write the largest 3-digit number formed by using the digits given below. Answer: A. 952, 872, 905, 802. 18. Add the following. A. 43 plus 21 is equal to 64. B. 29 plus 65 is equal to 94. C. 36 plus 42 plus 90 is equal to 168. D. 17 plus 29 plus 83 is equal to 129. E. 336 plus 421 is equal to 757. F. 829 plus 236 is equal to 1065. G. 288 plus 399 plus 108 is equal to 795. H. 130 plus 249 plus 356 is equal to 735. 19. Subtract the following. A. 36 minus 29 is equal to 7. B. 42 minus 28 is equal to 14. C. 22 minus 19 is equal to 3. D. 936 minus 521 is equal to 415. E. 529 plus 422 is equal to 107. F. 600 minus 542 is equal to 58. 20. Write the multiplication fact for the following. A. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. B. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. C. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. D. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 21. Multiply the following. A. 30 into 6 is equal to 180. 24 into 2 is equal to 48. C. 14 into 1 is equal to 14. D. 23 into 5 is equal to 115. 22. Write two division fact for the following multiplication fact. A. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Answer: 7 divided by 35, 5 divided by 35. B. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Answer: 3 divided by 18, 6 divided by 18. C. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Answer: 4 divided by 10, 10 divided by 10. D. 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. Answer: 9 divided by 81, 9 divided by 81. 23. Answer the following question. A. How many 5 paisa coins make a rupee? Answer: 20 coins. B. How many 10 paisa coins make a rupee? Answer: 10 coins. C. How many 20 paisa coins make a rupee? Answer: 5 coins. D. How many 25 paisa coins make a rupee? Answer: 4 coin. How many 50 paise coins make a rupee? Answer: 2 coins. F. How many 1 rupee notes make rupees 10? Answer: 10. G. How many 5 rupee note make 10? Answer: 2 notes. H. How many 10 rupees note make rupees 20? Answer: 2 notes. I. How many 50 rupee notes make rupee 100? Answer: 2 notes. G. How many 100 rupee notes make 500? Answer: 5 notes. K. How many 500 notes make rupees 1000? Answer: 2 notes. 24. what the fraction as is represented in the following shaded figures? Answer A. 1 upon 4, B. 1 upon 2, C. 2 upon 3, D. 2 upon 6. Think wisely. Who am I? If 100 is added to me, I am 936. Answer 1036. If 1000 is subtracted from me, I am 333. Answer 667. I am the predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number. Answer 999. If I am added or subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself. Answer 0. Mental maths. A. Solve mentally. Call out the steps as you do. 1. 6 plus 17 is equal to 23. 2. 19 plus 8 is equal to 27. 3. 9 plus 15 is equal to 24. 4. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. 5. 4 plus 17 is equal to 21. Maths lab activity. Materials required. Flashcards of any 3 numbers from 0 to 9. Steps 1. Show the cards to the students. 2. Student need to make as many 3-digit number as possible with those numbers. 3. Student with maximum numbers will get the points.